Every day, millions of people wake up, go to work, and follow the same routine. But have we ever stopped to ask ourselves, do we actually enjoy what we do? Is this really what we wanted since childhood? Do we at least feel free?
As the world rapidly changes, how are human lives being reshaped? Do they still feel the essence of what it means to become a human? Or they are slowly turning merely into machines in an industrialized society?
Humanist Marxism help us understand why many people feel disconnected from their work and their own lives. One of its central ideas is alienation, the feeling of being detached from one's work, the product of that work, other people, and even oneself. In capitalist societies, workers don't control what they produce, how they work, or how much they earn. As a result, work often becomes a burden rather than a meaningful pursuit.
Dati ba is business yung nga empanada? Like, for you, this is the business already? Or kas lang way of living lang na pagalan or harvest yun? Hindi mo nga baka doctor, teacher, kasi
Dream ko
well,
awan dream ko sa luna na panegosyo. Empanada ako na pipili.
so kas lang nagkita lang pati business.
Hindi ko na mas pergira ko na pagpapit. Buwag
Anya nagdagiti kang rin na narigat na kasang kayo si Adsul tuloy ang panaglaklako to France. Like, ano di makuha problems no accessor ka di France.
Siguro number one, dito magalat na ma-encounter mo ka. Customers nga na tiket ka, uri sudo tinututi, kaya daw mo na ka ma-iservan. Tapos, di rabi, siyempre, pulit ka. Iki or oras yung nagkitayan ng mostly na customers mo kaya, ano, diba? So, kailangan ipinaka panakihon halubilong kanya na kaya di pasensya mo sobra dapat.
Since ami magkalikwa and like earnings makita ngayon kas lang for your daily expenses but ita daily earnings mo yung pinaglakad ng France that enough for you to like sustain the needs you and your family and your own personal needs nila.
Ngayon kasi niya ako, manungot lang kiti nga di short kasi pa siya kadamit basit katulungan kasi ay may hindi lang.
Given by this data, follow-up question ko lang dito. If ang ka like, kahit ko lang makita if dati like, dream mo or like, makikita nga ay, kaya gusto at work na kasi kaya aji goal mo kung makita.
Gulpo,
Life,
Tatan.
life, go.
Okay. I want to have my own house and lot. Medyo.
Pray for
O,
that.
diba? Ang uri na, haan man nga, kasama man ko, imposible. Pero, kasi ito yung work, diba? Hindi mo kasi yan.
Di ba lasang ka? Ano iti wish mo nga pagbalinan ko ma?
Siya, pagbalik na. Actually, malayong malayo. Nagbalik na, nurse ko mabebe. Pero adayo madi nangyari.
These workers often feel most alive when they are not working. On the job, they nearly go through the motions. Their labor is not a choice but a necessity, something they are forced to do to survive. This deepens their sense of alienation, causing them to lose touch with their true potential. Despite the disconnection, people still seek meaning in their lives. Some express themselves through art, music, or community work, resisting alienation through creativity and solidarity. Others become self-employed, trying to escape the control of big corporations. Despite this, there are alternative ways to live and work. Others participate in protests and social movements that fight for fair wage and better working conditions.
Humanist Marxism isn't just about criticizing capitalism. It is about reimagining a world where people are valued not just as workers, but also human beings with potential and dreams. At the end of the day, if most of our lives are spent working, shouldn't this work give us fulfillment? Can we create a system where we value people over profit?
Through this documentary, we hope to spark reflection and to inspire people to think about what true freedom really